This is volume 2 of the camera cleaning at the Sidney Eagle Nests, August 2009. David Hancock, Karen Bills, Sassy K, Harry, Cam the cameraman, and the crane operator. Here's the crane heading to the old nest from the new nest. There's David under the crane. You can see the big extension on the crane, the white part. So it'll now reach about 120 feet high. Have to go way up above the old nest and then lower the box, the people box, into the nest from above. Don't want to break any of those branches, they're all pretty precious. This took a few minutes because you have to give directions by radio. And lower down a few inches, to the right a few inches, to the left a few inches, down a bit more. It's got to be able to reach the cameras to clean them. Plus the wide angle camera apparently was on an angle, so you had to straighten that out so the horizon was level. Quite a massive operation, but it seems that every year they have to be cleaned for the viewing public to enjoy. It's a shot straight up the boom. Hope you enjoyed that. Bye for now.